In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the smooth scrolling in Microsoft Edge so that you can smoothly scroll through, especially the PDF documents. It's a very nice feature in Microsoft Edge, and it was offered in Internet Explorer for a very long time. And here is how you can enable that if you want that to be present in your PDF documents. Because as you already know or might know that PDF viewer, the default PDF viewer of Microsoft Edge is super amazing. It has all the tools required to use that. So let's see how we can enable the smooth scrolling in Microsoft Edge. So what we need to do is write here Edge / and write here colon sign and then put / flags, hit enter. And from here, just write in the search smooth and it will show you the option of smooth scrolling. All you have to do is just enable that from here. Click on restart. It will reload the application or Microsoft browser, and then it is enabled. Again, if you want to turn that off for whatever reason, you will head over to the same area, search for smooth, and you just disable this for here. And if you have enabled multiple settings and now you want to reset it all, you can reset it from the top as well. And that's all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.